Hey there, this is Adrika Budara from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video we're gonna learn dictionary comprehension. So, in last video we covered list comprehension. Hope you remember. So it is same like that only. Okay? All the usage of for loops, if and if else is same. Okay? So here if I have a dictionary and in this dictionary we have the key value pairs like this 1 and 1, then 2 and then 8. Okay, 3, 27. Okay, it's something like this. So as you can see here the keys are ranging from 1 to 3. Okay, and the values are their cubes. As you can see here, 1's cube is 1, 2's cube is 8, 3's cube is 27, and like that. Okay, so if I do it using list comprehension, so how can I do it? But before that, how can we make it using in a simple way like we used to make before? So if I have a dictionary D1 is equals to this. Okay, and now we will use for I in range 1 to 11. Okay, now we will write D1 and then D1 I, and then the value will be I cube. Okay, like this, and then we will print our D1. So see, it's ranging from 1 to 10. The keys are ranging from 1 to 10 and values are their cubes as you can see here, right? So this is how we can make it using this dictionary. So hope it's clear to you how can we make it using for loop, right? So now let's make it using dictionary comprehension. Okay, so if I have D2 another dictionary, so in list comprehension as we used to write the comprehension inside square brackets, here we will reuse curly brackets because lists are denoted by square brackets and dictionaries are denoted by curly brackets. Okay, so here we will write num and then colon num 3. Okay, now we will use for loop for num in range 1 to 11, or let's just change this num to I so that you can relate it to this method of making the dictionary. Okay, so here it is I. Okay, now as you can see here it's a key value pair, means this whole is key value pair. Okay, so here the key will be I. So what is I? It is the numbers that will be ranging from 1 to 11, 1 to 10. Okay, and the value will be the cube of I. Okay, so here on first, when the for loop will work first time, the value of I will be 1. So here 1 will be the key and 1 cube will be 1. So the key value pair will be 1 colon 1. Okay, and then again it will be 2. So the key will be 2 and the value will be 8. Okay, and so on. So now if I print my D2 dictionary, see it's working the same way, right? So this was dictionary comprehension. Okay, and now you can use if and if else with it according to the list comprehension, right? Hope you understood that how to use if and if else. If you are using only if statement, then you have to use it after the for loop, right? But if you are using if else statement, you have to use that if else statement before the for loop. Okay, and in nested for loop, the for loop which are using first will come first, and then the for loop which you are using afterwards will come afterwards. Okay, so hope it's clear to you. So see you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you so much.